Hello everyone. Today I am doing a unboxing of the solder fume extraction by, I think that's Midgen? I'm not sure how that's pronounced, to be honest. But it's a small little fume extractor. I got it because it was small, and I'm just going to do the unboxing today, and then I'll use it and review it. It was pretty inexpensive. If I review it and I like it, I will post where exactly I did purchase it. Obviously Amazon, but I don't want to recommend something I haven't tried yet. But I just thought I'd do the unboxing, and I did honestly break the seal already, and I thought, hey, why not make this an unboxing video? So here we go. We got, it's like I say, it's a nice small size. And this is to extract the fumes of the solder. So I got this for two reasons. A, it's not healthy to breathe in solder fumes. And B, um, I have a smoke alarm here, and I don't want to set off the smoke alarm. So yeah, has three-stage filtration, comes with an extra filter, a carrying case, low noise it says, so we'll see. So here, this is as far as I got. I just opened the top. As you can see, it's still all wound and wrapped in the box. So this is obviously the power cable and switch. And we'll pull out the cardboard here. And I've got a couple Xboxes to fix and some other, an old Mac and my gaming laptop from a few years ago to fix. So yeah. I'll be using these for sure. And it wasn't very expensive at all. That was the nice thing. So, and it had some pretty decent reviews. So there's the extra filter. It's nice. Whoops, sorry about that, out of view. It comes in a nice bag, so that's great. Just a little Ziploc bag. And let's see here. Let's try and slide this guy out. There we go. All right, let's take a look at this thing. Yeah, it's cute. We'll see how well it works. Let's see. I know this isn't the review for it, but let's see just how quiet this little guy is. I'm curious. I didn't want anything too large that was too noisy. So we'll just plug that in there. Actually, let me flip this on first. There we go. And then we'll plug her in there. Oh, and it's on already. And I guess it just has one level. Yeah, it's not too noisy. Well, I'm not sure how well this will function. Obviously, over the next couple weeks, I'll give it a try, and I will let you guys know how well this little solder filter works. But yeah, all right. Thanks everybody. I hope anyone looking for one of these will check out my review on it, and hopefully it'll be informative for you. All right. Thank you everyone, and let's play.